And welcome back to my YouTube channel Tips by Anil, and in this video we are going to discuss that how we can submit Microsoft form data into SharePoint list. So here is my SharePoint list. Okay, this is SharePoint list, and we are going to create a Microsoft form. So form, and if you don't know how to create Microsoft form, then please watch my previous video. In that I already discussed that how we can create Microsoft form, so that is pretty easy, and in this video also we are going to discuss. So let's me match employment type. You can see job title, leave type, job title, department we can remove. Actually we don't have department, so let me just remove this department. Then leave type, leave date, return date, and upload document. Okay, and leave type, leave date, return date, user email as well. So let me add one user email. So I will go over here. Okay, then go in a text. Then here I will add user email. Now this form look like this. Okay, start now, and this is our form. Go back, and you can change the name. So we will change the name leave application form. Okay, so this is saved. Okay, now let's move on Power Automate. Okay, so this is Power Automate. Click on create, and here automated cloud flow, and when a new response is submitted, uh, save data in list underscore wf. Click on create. So this is new designer. If you want, you can go back and you can use the older one. Okay, from here click pick a form. So here we having leave application form. Click on new step, then here get form response. Okay, get response detail, and here form id. Then again I will choose leave application form, and then response id. Okay, then again next step, and here they will create a list item. Okay, create a item, and then here I will choose a site address. So this list I'll show you basically. Let me show you the list setting, and here is a list like name, employment type, the same whatever we having over the form, the same I put it over here. Okay, this leave application form. So employment type, this is the choice type. The similarly I have done over here. You can see employment type. Okay, this is the choice type. All right, now I will go back over here, and I'll choose the list name. List name is leave form. Okay, so here is the list leave form. Okay, now title I can make it like name. All right, so this is ready. The only thing that if suppose on the form, if anyone is adding this upload file, then how we can capture this upload file attachment. Okay, so this upload file, we having options like a number of items. If you want to 2, if you want to 1, as per your requirement you can use over here, and the file size limit also 100 MB, 10 MB, or 1 GB. Okay, now let me go here and add a new steps. Here I will create for each loop, apply each. Okay, why I'm doing this is suppose user having more than one document added over there, then it should be automatically take all all the attachment, get content, get file content. Then here in the select output, I will use expression. Then I'll go on output. Then in the output, I will go in dynamic. Here is get response, and from the get response, upload relevant document here. So click on OK. Then here, file content, I need to provide the ID. Then here I will go and items, and then inside this I will add a ID. Click on OK. Alright. And here I'll add an action, add attachment. Site address I will take the same. Then list name, leave form, then ID. So ID I will get from created item. Then file name. So basically the file name will be same item, and here name. Click on OK. Then file content. Okay. Now let me save this. Okay, our flow is saved. Here we are getting some issue. Invalid template, the message template valid fail, apply to each line 1 treatment template function output is not expected the location. Oh, let me add it again. So basically JSON, and then it's asking the value. So we have to provide the JSON value, actually my bad. Then I will go on dynamic, and then from get response, upload relevant document here. Click on OK. Now let me save it. Now it's saved successfully. So if I'll check flow checker, we don't have any error and warning. Then go on leave form, and here I'll go on preview, click start, and then here I'll provide the name Sumit. Okay, this is part-time. Title will be HR, and this will be vacations, and leave date will be from 22 to return date will be 29th, and I will upload a file. So suppose I'm going to upload this sample resume. Okay, then user email pragati @tips by Anil at dot on microsoft.com. Click on submit. So whenever you will submit, your response is submitted. And now I will go on my Power Automate. I'll go back and I'll check the flow. Okay, the flow is running. And the flow is success. Now go in the list and click on leave form. And in the leave form, you can see here is the value. So name, employee type, job title, leave type, leave date, return date, and user email. You can see we are getting this is in as a people picker, because this user email I created as a user type field. And if I'll go over here, I'll go in the detail, and in the detail, you can see this sample resume. All right, so this attachment we added. All right, and if you click on this open, then you can see the resume is going to be opened over here. All right, so I hope you love this video, and if you really enjoy this video, then please subscribe my channel. And just one thing I will let you know, if you don't know how to create this form, I created the complete video in my previous tutorial. Watch there. I will provide you the link. Okay, thank you and bye bye.